hope you're well. I'm going to use a palette knife today. What I'm going to do is wet the page, add some paint straight out of the tube. I'm going to be using Hooker's Green Light and Dioxazine Purple, and I'm going to put them straight on to the palette knife and add the colour on like that. So we're just going to see what happens. So I've got a flat brush. I'm going to wet all of the page with a generous amount of water. Get it all wet all over. This just helps when you're putting that paint on. Hopefully it will start to granulate and move all by itself without you pushing it around if you've got enough water on. So I'm just making sure there's plenty there. I may get some blooms, but I'm not really worried about that. I just want to see how these paints react. So getting the Dioxazine Purple onto the back of the palette knife and just letting the colour move around a bit. If I can get it to move by pulling up my page, that's better. Okay, I'm going to add some of this green, add it to the back of the palette knife and just move it around a bit. Move it into the purple. So I'm just going to let that dry. Got this white daisy stencil and I've got some white acrylic paint, and I'm just going to stencil these beautiful daisies onto my watercolour background. So you can see now all of the lovely flowers from the stencil. What I'm going to use now are these multicoloured pencils. I've used them before, they're really good to use. Bit unpredictable, but I actually quite like that. If you can see, they've got all different lead colours in there. So I'm just going to add those to the page, add them to the flowers, and we'll see what happens. And there you have it, your beautiful pencil on stencil abstract painting. Hope you've enjoyed this. Hope you get to try. Let me know in the comments. That'd be brilliant. Thanks. See you soon. Bye.